Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you how to replace the door handle on a Hotpoint washing machine. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If you cannot open the door handle or are having trouble opening the door, then the door handle may be broken and needs replacing. Start by taking out the 4 screws holding the door on. Use a nut spinner to take the screws out. And then remove the door and put it onto a flat surface. We have used a carpet tile. Now take out the screws around the inner door panel. Use a flat blade screwdriver between the inner and outer frame to start. Then use a couple more screwdrivers around the door to release it. Take the door glass out and put it to one side. Move the outer frame over the handle to allow you to lift the outer frame off. On the underside of the outer frame, we can see there is a metal pin that runs through the handle, door catch and spring. Take a photo of how it goes together if needed, before removing the pin with a pair of pliers, keeping hold of everything so nothing drops out, and lift the handle out. Place the new handle into position, remembering how it goes together. Push the pin through a little bit. This will allow you to locate it into the handle and the spring and door catch before pushing it through. Put the glass back in, which has a locator in the glass so it lines up in the correct position. Now put the outer frame back over the handle and clip the 2 sections back together. Put the door hinges through the panel and refit the screws. And there we have it, one door handle replaced on a Hotpoint washing machine. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.